Hi everyone, welcome to my virtual robotics toolkit tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain how you can download and install your virtual robotics toolkit software, and also I'll explain how you can customize the user interface of the software. So now let's see how you can do in the laptop. Before moving to the topic, I would like to share a few things. You can like and follow ROBO-G Facebook page for the regular updates on the workshops and the classes. You can search ROBO-G Facebook page using the address facebook.com/ROBOG-official, and also you can visit robog.in website for more details about the virtual robotics toolkit classes. You can click on online courses, click on online live classes, and here you will find the details about virtual robotics toolkit regular classes. To download the virtual robotics toolkit software, you have to visit this address. I will give this link in the description below. Click on the Windows option if you have Windows laptop, or if you have Mac laptop, click on this Mac option. So follow the simple steps to install the software. Initially it will give you 15 days trial, and after that you need to purchase the license key to use the software. Once the software is installed, you have to click on the VRT icon, and once you click on that, it will open two softwares. The first one is Virtual Robotics Toolkit, and the second one is Lego Mindstorm EV3 programming software. So without this EV3 software, you cannot program your virtual robot. So it is required to have both the softwares in your laptop if you want to program your virtual robot in the Virtual Robotics Toolkit. So now let's discuss about how we can customize the user interface of this software. So now you can see three windows option here. So the left side, this is the simulation window, the right one is the learning window, and below that this is the EV3 programming software window. So this we can convert in the two window option also. If you take your cursor on the top of the software, one window will drop down and you can click on the second last option, which will convert this VRT software into two window options. So basically on the top you have VRT software, and below that you have EV3 software, and also you can make your VRT software full screen, and below that you will get EV3 software to program. So that's all for this video. We will discuss more details about the VRT software in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.